This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with essentials. Confirm your account is verified and link sharing is enabled. Once ready, open the WebLink app and accept storage and clipboard permissions so links paste cleanly. Next, tap the plus new link button and choose URL or file. This is your first actionable step. Enter a concise title and paste the destination. This saves time later and makes links discoverable. Make sure to use short titles so recipients understand the link at a glance. Once you've created the basic entry, focus on customization so the link works for your audience. Set the link type, public, private, or expiring, and add an expiration date if this is temporary. Add tags and a short description so search works, then upload or select a thumbnail for visual clarity. Enable analytics if you want click data. Finally, customize the short URL and add a password if necessary. Preview the link to confirm behavior before you save it. You're ready to distribute. Use the Share menu to copy the short link, generate a QR code, or send directly to apps and contacts. Once shared, monitor clicks and refers in analytics so you know who engaged. Update the target URL or revoke access if it's misused. If something goes wrong, first check permissions, confirm the URL has no typos, and verify the link hasn't expired. If needed, reissue a corrected link. This solves most failures quickly and keeps recipients on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.